I just noticed that my bumper is almost coming off. I think I'll need to fix this sooner or later during the weekend. And I missed the garage, so I need to go during the weekend to fix this. Okay, let's go to work. First, I'll need to wait for this guy to leave. Oh man, this is Kitengela, the first Lamborghini that I've ever seen. I saw it right now, just passed by in Kitengela. Who thought the first Lamborghini I would ever see would be in Kitengela and not Dubai or any other part of the world? Kitengela is awesome, just for that reason alone. This is how Kitengela looks like 3 p.m. on a Tuesday, on a Wednesday, Wednesday work day. Just chill, no traffic, and not many people. It's just an easy going day. So right now I'm from the stage, dropped someone, and I'm going back to work, finish up with the day. Yeah, call it a day, and go back and do it tomorrow. Yeah. Oh man, I wish that Lamborghini came back. People are crazy. I wish I saw that Lamborghini again. I wish I saw it. It was a Lamborghini Urus, a yellow one. In Kitengela, of all places. Okay, if I see it, guys, I'm going to make sure I record it. I'm gonna be ready to record it. Yeah, that's the famous Quaver. Yeah, that's Rick Sauce Kitengela. And we also have some chicken place here, which is 24 hours, and they have awesome pizza. I would recommend you check out their pizza. Yep, the day is almost over. Guys, the day is over. Let's head to the couch. My favorite spot, as usual. That's the place, Greek Sauce. Awesome.